Hello, how are you? I am Hassan Khan. So last time I uploaded a video about AI Studio. Many people ask me to guide how to use and learn different things. So they have a difficulty how they can use the streaming function. So here, this is the website you have to open AI Studio. Just type in the Google AI Studio. The first website will be open. So came here. Then this is the home page layout. This is what you can build different. So the stream you can share even your video and talk to the screen and the same GPT function, video function. And here also you can share what you are learning or something screen. Studio का create prompt stream real time. So ये option you have to select this option stream real time. So this option will come. Talk to Gemini, show Gemini, and share your screen. So start real-time conversation yours. So this is the same voice function. This is show Gemini AI, your camera, and you will be talking to Gemini. And here is the share your screen function. So you have to click on this. So now let me see which Chrome tab you are sharing. Let me give you an example. So I will share my personal profile link there, and I will tell you how you people can learn anything. So this screen share of my Google Search Console and my personal Ehsan Khan SEO is shared. Now we will check how we can learn. So here you can see already shared, and you can view tab Google AI. Now this tab is here shared with him. So Google is also, Gemini is listening. So we will ask question. Hello Gemini.
I see that you're sharing a screen of Google Search Console. It appears to be the settings page for the website.
I need your help. I don't know how to see how many my pages are crawled, and I want to see my crawl details. So can you guide me how to approach that things, and then I check my crawl pages.
Sure, you want to know how to see the crawl details for your website on Google Search Console. Is that correct?
Yes, so you can guide me the screen share, so I will follow your step.
All right, to find the crawl data, first on the left side menu, you should see the crawling section right below the settings section, and that will be the one you want to select. Do you see that?
Yes, I am there.
Now, in the crawling section, there are two entries, robots.txt and crawl stats. Click Crawl Stats to view the crawl details of your pages. Let me know if you have any further questions.
So I have opened the crawl stats. Now little guide me about these crawl stats, like response by file type, which are the stat and how I can check more. And
Let's break down the crawl stats page. On this page, you can see information on how Google's crawler interacts with your site. The by response section shows the different HTTP status codes returned during the crawl process, such as OK, not modified, and not found. The percentages indicate how often Googlebot encountered each status code. The by file type section breaks down the types of files requested by Googlebot during crawling, like CSS, image, JavaScript, and HTML. It also shows their respective percentages. Is there any specific type of data that interests you on this page?
so by response, does the stats are okay or which stat has to be optimized?
In the by response section, the OK 200 response, which indicates success, shows a high percentage of 94%. That's good. The remaining responses, modified 304, not found 404, and moved permanently 301, have lower percentages. These aren't necessarily bad on their own, as they could be the expected response for certain cases, but if they represent errors, they should be investigated. Do you have any concerns about any specific response code?
Thank you for your guidance.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with Google Search Console, feel free to ask.
So can you check the level how many things you can learn by this thing? This is just an idea for you. So this is one of the tip. You can learn anything step by step. So you require even an expert teacher with you. So if you like this video, I will show you more thing how you can learn each everything differently and every niche. So share this video if you like. So follow me on the LinkedIn and I will share more things. Thank you.